Hey there, Sam. It's Marcy here, and I'm recording your video for you that I got the email a little bit ago. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're most likely asking yourself, why would I be doing this? What's in it for me? But what I found is that quite often in the world of internet marketing, business owners are far too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have in hiring somebody is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners raising their hand and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've heard something that you like, then, and that I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message. We can chat. I will follow up, though. I'd love your feedback either way. But if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I've given you and do it yourself, that works for me as well. So I'm going to jump right in here, try to keep this brief. I realize you're busy. Going to go over 3 things: content, citations, and backlinks. So when I say, I'll begin with citations and gives us back here to the first page of Google search. Statistics show that the websites that are showing up on the first page of the results are getting about 80% of the clicks through to the sites. And then 50% of those are typically coming from the top 3 that are appearing here in this section. This section is called the Google My Business listing, and you can see here that we've got business's name, address, and phone number listed. So that's what in a nutshell what a citation is. 411 listing, Yellow Pages, a Yelp listing, anywhere where your business is going to be showing name, address, and phone number. So the more citations, the more places that you're cited throughout the internet that Google finds when they go out and crawl is going to help push you up in the rankings just for this section alone. As I said, being up in this top 3 gets you a lot of attention. So the paid ads up top, and then down here is the organic section. Now the organic section, a combination of the content and the backlinks, are the factors pushing up into here. So I'll go to the content, take a look at your site. By that I mean the information, the words that you have throughout your website, and the pictures. Whatever, telling Google what it is that you do. See, when they come across a new site on the web, the first thing they do is jump in there and crawl it, because they want to find out what is this site adding to the internet, what is the information. In your case, when it's a service, they want to know what it is you offer and where is the location that you're offering it, so that then they can serve it up to their searchers. What's in it for them? They want to keep people that are using their search engine to search. They want to keep them there. That's how they make the money. So they want to serve up the most relevant results. So they like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on about the service that you do on your homepage in particular. So that's the first thing the searchers are going to see. So you definitely you got a really nice looking site, by the way, but you definitely have opportunity here to add some more information just about renovating and design and all the things that you do, so Google can search you up. Now the third thing that I'll go to then is the backlinks. And what a backlink is, it's a link from a third-party site linking back to your website. You can think of, if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest, when another site links to you, it's like a vote in the search engine's eyes. So therefore, the more votes that you have, and in saying that, not all votes are created equal, you want them to be coming from, authoritative site rather than a non-authoritative site. In that, I mean, there's a lot of spammy, sites out there and things that aren't all that fabulous. So you want them to be coming from sites that have credibility with Google, that Google trusts, and then the power from that site is passed through to your website. So what I've done is I've taken the #1 site organically here to use as a comparison. Put both of your sites into the same tool to see what's going on with your backlink profile. This tool is showing me, this tool is called Ahrefs, and it shows me that you have 6 referring domains, 6 other websites on the internet that are referring back to yours, giving you 30 backlinks. You're being found for 10 organic keywords. Just had a couple visitors to your site last month through finding it, just on their own, not a paid ad or anything. So if we compare that to the #1 site, you can see they have 222 other sites linking to theirs, giving them about 850 backlinks. They're being found for, over 1,000 keywords, and they had just over 800 visitors to their site last month. So if you'd like to beat your competitor in the rankings, these are the clues that we look for: the content, the citations, the backlinks. If you beat them all on all 3 of these factors, it's just a matter of time before you are going to also beat them in the rankings for the first page of the search. So I'm going to leave it there, Sam. As I promised, I don't like to overwhelm people with the information. I'll process the video, email it off to you, and I will follow up. I want to make sure that you did in fact receive it, have a chance to watch it, and as I said, love to hear your feedback. Take care.